So one thing that went really well was bringing a lot of my houseplants outside. Most of them are doing so much better than they were inside. This Christmas cactus, it sent out a lot of new growth after coming outside. This palm, however, is not doing that great. Maybe it's not getting the right amount of water, or maybe something chewed on the ends. I'm really not sure. We've been having bunnies in the area, so it could be that. And this aluminum plant is looking so much better. I really thought I had killed it, but it has made a wonderful recovery being outside. And then we've got this China doll, got 2 China doll plants here that also I almost killed inside, but they're doing great out here. And here's some basil that I have planted that's doing well. So yeah, bring your house plants out. They'll love you for it.